Well, happy Saturday morning, YouTube. It's Kevin with currently the Kevin and Anna channel, but we're still looking for a name. So if you got any suggestions, help us out there. And I am arriving at Smiley's Flea Market. I'm supposed to meet my buddy Joey here at 7, and a walkway. Might have just gotten dark, but I'm supposed to meet my buddy here at 7, and I'm running late. I don't know where he's at. He hasn't texted me back yet or anything. He's kind of late once in a while too, so it's all easy peasy, no worries on either side. So let me get in touch with him, see if I can find him, and maybe we can find some decent treasures here today.
No le va a quedar, lo va a soltar.
Cinco por los tres. We have a legal plan, they call it, for home-based businesses. So you can call our attorneys anytime you want and ask them questions. And it's very affordable too. So.
Good business, man, because sometimes it's risky.
You just like a blind bed. Saw blade. You don't have one, do you? What?
Thank you.
Where's your saw blade?
No.
Don't have one down there.
pick it up, tell the king and queen is down here. No, no. Sun's coming on out of here.
Scott.
That's cool.
You need some of that. You need some of that.
I don't know, boy. I don't.
I think it's just regular mag. I don't think it's 7mm weatherby mag. I think it's just regular 7 mag.
Let's go to it.
Okay, I'll do that. And I will pay y'all the minutes on it.
Well, the garage sale, I'm sorry, the flea market was a bust. And it's not surprising because I don't think there was a single person there selling that wasn't a vendor. Again, not surprising because of the holiday weekend, and the vendors are really the only folks that are out doing this mostly. So we didn't I didn't find anything. You know, the vendors, they know what they've got. They're asking, you know, resale pricing on it. But yeah, I've never been huge with our flea market here because it is so many vendors and not many people selling individually. And it makes it tough as a reseller, and it's so spread out and there's so many vendors. You spend a lot of time walking through the place because it is a big flea market, but you spend so much time walking through the place and nitpicking and looking and maybe digging in a few totes here and there. But at the end of the day, like, there was a yard sale that started 30 minutes ago. That's where I should have went first. I should have waited on the flea market, but oh well, you know, it is what it is. No worries. So I'm gonna go hit this flea. I can't even keep my words in check. I'm tired, you guys. But I'm gonna go hit this yard sale now, and it sounds like from the description, mostly things that I'm not interested in. But you know, just like yesterday, you never know. What if you see another yard sale sign on the way, or you know, you get there and you find, you know, several things that you can pick that were unexpected, and that's why I do it, you know. There's always a chance. There's always a possible surprise around the corner. So, anyway, we will see you when I get there. Morning, guy.
Good morning.
Boy, it'd be a good thing for a little kid.
Yeah.
That'd just be wonderful.
You had many sales?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, people coming by and you know, everything's negotiable.
Okay. That's I guess pretty standard at yard sales, isn't it? Do you have the remote that goes to the...
I think. Let me get my husband.
Yeah. I
might
see
be-
this. I don't think that's a universal remote.
Yeah, let me get him.
Yes, we do have a remote.
I didn't know if it was that one. I couldn't quite make it out.
This one goes to the TV. This one has to be recalibrated. This
That's,
is brand new.
so it's the universal remote
It's a
for that.
universal that goes to this.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you what, we looked all over the place, but we still have VHSs.
Uh-huh.
Actually, we were at a sale and they had 3, so I bought all 3. You still have the VHSs.
Now that's empty. That's no fun.
I know. Very old.
Yeah.
But at garage sales, they go very cheap.
I do a little YouTube channel if you're wondering why in the world is this guy got a camera out here. But I do a little
No, not
YouTube
really.
channel and
We do more than us. We could hit the estate sales.
yeah.
And then we just stock it and sell it
Yeah.
every year.
Yeah. I like estate sales. I haven't seen many lately. Looks like a medieval weapon.
Yeah, I know the way the world is going.
Right? You need that. No, officer, it's a block cutter. It's really not the weapon I'm protecting myself.
Now the VHS is, you know what they are going for now?
Just the VHS or the
Just
combo
the,
unit?
Just the VHS or even the combos more, but
Yeah.
you look on Amazon, they're going for like, what, 800 bucks?
Oh no.
Yeah, it's just...
Not the ones that I've seen and bought and sold.
Even DVDs has gone up a little bit.
Yeah.
Walmart, we used to buy them at Walmart.
What's your bottom dollar? I'm somewhat interested, but I'm not real interested without a working or without the original remote.
10 bucks?
Can't do it, man. I've got several in stock, and I know that
we-
I know that they eventually sell, but they're what I call long sales.
Yeah.
They sit there for a while unless they're cause you know, as a reseller, you gotta have a little a little room for profit.
Yeah.
I'd throw out an offer of 5 if you wanted to sell it bad enough, but that's
Yeah,
all I
think
could
we'll
do.
hold on to it.
Yeah, I don't blame you. Somebody that wants it, that's not reselling, you know, they'll give you 20 bucks for it.
We did.
Yeah.
I think we paid 25 for that.
Mm-hmm. Well, one of the things too to keep an eye out, what makes them more valuable, is the fact that it's a writable DVD, so you can record
Yes.
from one to the other or record other things. So, yeah. All right, guys. Well, good luck with your sale.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Tomorrow everything's half off.
So if you said 10 today,
$10 tomorrow.
if you said you take 10 today, does that mean 5 tomorrow?
It could be.
All right.
It definitely could be.
How about I leave you a telephone number? You guys call me if you want to sell it.
Okay.
I just live 5 minutes up the road, but
Your name is?
my name's Kevin.
Okay, I'm Annie and that's Mark.
Are you kidding me? Someone stole Little Red. Oh no! So as you saw, not a lot at that yard sale. Pretty slim pickings, but the DVD VCR combo, I could have bought it for 10 and flipped it, but I was just like, since today's already been what it has been, you know, throw an offer out, a low ball offer. See if they'll take 5. I got a funny feeling they're gonna call me tomorrow and say, hey, you want this thing for 5 bucks? So we'll see what happens there. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Yard sale is done. Smileys. But see what else we come up with. I do have one thing I want to share with you. It's a lot of freebie stuff that a coworker of mine is going to give me. So, and that's a pretty exciting donation. So hang tight, and I'll get that posted online, maybe in this video or in an upcoming video. But it was a free score, and hoorah! All right, guys.